What do basic cooking terms like sauté and simmer mean? Imagine you're in the kitchen, ready to cook your favorite meal, but some words on the recipe seem confusing. Don't worry. Learning simple cooking words can make cooking much easier and more fun. Today, we will talk about two common terms, sauté and simmer. Knowing what these mean helps you follow recipes and cook with confidence. Sauté means to cook food quickly in a small amount of oil or fat over medium-high heat. The word comes from French, meaning to jump, because the food often jumps or moves around in the pan as it cooks. When you sauté vegetables like peppers or onions, you cut them into small pieces, heat a little oil in a pan, and cook them until they are soft and slightly browned. This method is great for making food tender and flavorful fast. It usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on what you're cooking. Simmer means to cook food gently in liquid just below the boiling point. Tiny bubbles will rise slowly to the surface, but the liquid won't be bubbling vigorously. Think of simmering as a slow, gentle cook. It is perfect for making soups, sauces, and stews because it allows flavors to blend without burning or overcooking the ingredients. Usually, you set your stove to a low or medium-low heat and let the food cook for a longer time, sometimes 30 minutes or more, to develop rich flavors. Other useful cooking terms include boil, which means heating liquid until it bubbles rapidly and produces steam. Boiling is good for cooking pasta or eggs. Stir-fry is similar to sauté but done at a higher heat with constant stirring, often used for quick meals with small pieces of meat and vegetables. Dicing means cutting food into small square pieces, while chopping is cutting into larger pieces. Season means adding salt, pepper, or herbs to give your food more flavor. Learning these words helps you understand recipes better and makes cooking simple meals easier. When you know what sauté and simmer mean, you can cook vegetables, soups, and stews with confidence. These skills are great for building independence and making everyday life in the kitchen more enjoyable. So next time you see these words in a recipe, you'll know exactly what to do and how to make your dish perfect.